Alright folks, going to show you how to chop up an avocado. This is primarily, I guess it's for a restaurant. This is what I'd have to show everybody in a restaurant to kind of make sure we're getting our right portions and just to make it easier on everyone. So we all know the first step. You just want to go ahead, cut this guy right down the middle, twist it. Now here is the real trick to it all. All you'll need to do is go ahead and quarter it. Once we quarter it, this is basically what you're going to be using for your portion size in the restaurant. And all we're going to need to do is just peel that back. See how easy that is? I'll show you on the other one. Oh, not being as easy on me, are you? This one, but that's what they do. They peel right off, especially if they're ripe. And now you have half your avocado. Say you're going to work in a restaurant, what I'd have everybody do, put it aside until you need it. And then let's say you're going to top a sandwich or eggs Benny or something like that. Then all I do is have everyone go through, slice it up. And that right there will be, I don't know, perfect for whatever application you need. So if you're topping a sandwich or, whatever you're doing, that is going to be an awesome portion. So just to make it real easy for you guys, one avocado, when you're working in a restaurant, dice it up into quarters, peel off the skin easy. I don't want to see you coming, getting this and trying to scoop it all out and do, nah, it's easy. Just make sure your avocados are ripe. Slice it off. You have your portion, so that means each avocado, you get 4 portions out of it. And this is how I've taught everybody in every restaurant that I've ever worked. All right, guys. Thanks and enjoy.
Yeah.